Sin versus Odoo 2025. Which inventory and ERP solution is better? Most people get ERP and inventory software wrong by thinking one solution fits every business. In 2025, Sin and Odoo cater to different needs. Sin focuses on inventory management for multi-channel retailers. You won't believe what happens next. It integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and eBay, automates stock tracking, and connects with POS systems. Its strength lies in real-time inventory visibility across warehouses, online stores, and physical locations. Odoo, on the other hand, is a full ERP platform. The surprising truth is it offers modules for accounting, CRM, manufacturing, and more, allowing businesses to customize their setup extensively. While it can handle inventory, its flexibility is ideal for companies needing a complete business management suite. Sin is easier to implement for businesses primarily focused on inventory and sales, while Odoo requires more setup and configuration but provides broader functionality. Pricing also varies. Sin uses a subscription model based on users and integrations, while Odoo offers modular pricing depending on the apps you choose. In conclusion, if your main goal is seamless multi-channel inventory management, Sin is likely the better choice in 2025. If you need a fully customizable ERP that goes beyond inventory to manage your entire business ecosystem, Odoo is the winner. Your decision should hinge on whether you value simplicity and speed or flexibility and scope.